So in lesson 8, comparing data sets, we're going to compare incomes. So we have Burger Bungalow and Dog Heaven are competing for some summer tourist lunches. So the income is recorded below. We have the burger income and then the hot dog income. And then we're going to look at just comparing them, what's the average income and then how variable is that. So I'm going to open up the R code, and just like that, you had to download that. And then also, I went here, opened the Excel file in Google, and had to download that to my download folder. Now, if you're working with just a regular PC, which I am, I just wanted to show all the Google Doc users how to do that as well. So now I'm going to import the data set from Excel, move this so I can browse to my download folder, open up the lesson 8 data, and then import it. Then if you notice, I have burger income, expenses, and then all of these, they're all the same length too. So I won't have to use that na.rm to remove na values. So now what I'm going to do is do the summary of the burger income. And I have the mean is 1,454. And then a little bit of my other values too. The median is 1,412. And then my hot dog income, I notice it's less. The mean is 1,034. The median is also less. And then I'm going to look at the standard deviation, which has more variable income. So in looking at the two, the hot dog income is the standard deviation is smaller, so it's less variable. So I would just kind of write some of those statistics down here. Just talk about what the mean is, what the burger income is, what the standard deviation of both is, and what that means. So burgers make more money, and hot dogs make less money, but their income is less variable. It's pretty consistent. Now that said, that doesn't mean they're making more profit. There's also expenses that factor into that. So what we're going to do is figure out the burger profit. So what you do to figure out the profit column is take the income and minus the expenses for both. Now this is a cool thing because R could do this for you, so could simple spreadsheet data. So I'm going to create a profit column, and then here's the burger profit, and you can write that out. Here is the hot dog profit, and you can write that out. Then we can do the summary statistics. And just looking at that, the burger profit is 453, but the hot dog profit is 586. You actually make more money with hot dogs because it costs less for all the stuff to make a hot dog. And then you can also look at the standard deviation of the spread of both, and you see that the burger profit is closer together, but the hot dog profit is a little bit more spread out. And then you could also create a box plot and view that. And then remember, if this is gray and you don't like that, I could change the color of the box plot and add some color to that and say COL equals, let's say, red, and change the color to be red. Or some people like their box plots to be horizontal. So I could put horizontal equals, and then put in quotes, true. And just flip that. So what you're going to do now is look at some practice problems, practice doing these. So comparing profits, incomes, looking at two businesses, calculating those, and using R to do that, and then completing the check for understanding.